Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of emails, struggling to keep track of client interactions, and wishing there was a simpler way to manage your sales and marketing efforts? You're not alone. Many businesses, especially growing ones, face this challenge. They're juggling multiple tools, spreadsheets are their best or worst friend, and communication can feel like a game of telephone gone wrong. What if there was a centralized platform that could streamline all of that, making your life easier and your business more efficient? That's where HubSpot comes in. And a key part of leveraging HubSpot effectively is understanding the power of HubSpot meetings. Now, you might be thinking, meetings? I already have too many of those. But trust me, HubSpot meetings aren't just another item on your already overflowing calendar. They're a game changer. They're about connecting with your prospects and customers in a more organized, personalized, and, dare I say, enjoyable way. So what exactly is a HubSpot meeting? At its core, a HubSpot meeting is a scheduled appointment facilitated through the HubSpot platform. But it's so much more than that. It's a bridge between your business and your audience, a tool that empowers you to build relationships, qualify leads, and ultimately, close deals. Think of it this way: imagine you're running a bakery. A customer calls, interested in ordering a cake for a special occasion. Instead of scribbling down their details on a notepad and hoping you remember everything later, you could use a HubSpot meeting link. You send them a link, they choose a time that works for both of you, and boom! The meeting is automatically scheduled, complete with reminders and integrated with your calendar. No more double booking, no more frantic searching for contact information, and no more missed opportunities. That's the basic functionality, but the real magic of HubSpot meetings lies in its integration with the broader HubSpot ecosystem. Because HubSpot is an all-in-one platform, your meetings are connected to your CRM, customer relationship management system. This means that every interaction, every detail about your prospect or customer, is automatically logged and stored within HubSpot. You get a 360-degree view of your relationship with that individual, allowing you to personalize your communication and tailor your approach. Let's dive deeper into the benefits. First, there's the sheer convenience. Say goodbye to the back-and-forth emails trying to nail down a meeting time. With HubSpot meetings, you simply share your availability, and your prospects or customers can choose a slot that suits them. It's efficient, it's professional, and it saves everyone time. Second, HubSpot meetings help you stay organized. All your scheduled meetings are neatly organized within HubSpot, accessible from any device. You can set up reminders, ensuring you never miss an important appointment. And because it's integrated with your calendar, you can easily see your availability at a glance. Third, and perhaps most importantly, HubSpot meetings empower you to personalize the meeting experience. Because HubSpot integrates with your CRM, you have access to a wealth of information about your prospects and customers. You can use this information to tailor your conversations, anticipate their needs, and build stronger relationships. Now, let's talk about the different types of HubSpot meetings you can set up. You can create one-on-one meetings, group meetings, or even round-robin meetings, where prospects are automatically assigned to available team members. You can also customize your meeting links, adding your branding and creating a seamless experience for your audience. Beyond the scheduling aspect, HubSpot meetings can also be used for lead qualification. You can embed questions within your meeting booking page, gathering valuable information about your prospects before you even speak to them. This allows you to prioritize your efforts and focus on the most promising leads. Imagine you're a sales rep, you send a meeting link to a potential client. On the booking page, you ask a few qualifying questions, such as, what are your biggest challenges? Or what's your budget? The answers to these questions are automatically recorded in HubSpot, giving you valuable insights before your meeting. You can then use this information to tailor your sales pitch and address their specific needs. Another powerful feature of HubSpot meetings is its integration with other tools. You can connect HubSpot meetings with your video conferencing software, such as Zoom or Google Meet, making it easy to conduct virtual meetings. You can also integrate with other marketing automation tools, further streamlining your workflows. So, how do you actually set up a HubSpot meeting? It's surprisingly simple. First, you'll need a HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sales tab and select Meetings. From there, You can customize your meeting links, set your availability, and configure any additional settings. You can also create different meeting types for different purposes. For example, you might have one meeting type for initial consultations, another for product demos, and another for follow-up calls. This allows you to tailor the meeting experience to the specific stage of the customer journey. Now, let's address some common questions. What if a prospect cancels or reschedules a meeting? No problem. HubSpot automatically notifies you of any changes, and you can easily manage your schedule within the platform. What if you want to embed a meeting link on your website or in an email? Easy. HubSpot provides you with embed codes and shareable links that you can use anywhere. What if you're not a sales rep? Can you still use HubSpot meetings? Absolutely. HubSpot meetings can be used by anyone who needs to schedule appointments, from marketers to customer service reps to even HR professionals. The beauty of HubSpot meetings is its flexibility. It can be adapted to suit the needs of any business, regardless of size or industry. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, HubSpot meetings can help you streamline your communication, improve your efficiency, and ultimately, grow your business. So, to recap, a HubSpot meeting is more than just a scheduled appointment. It's a powerful tool that integrates with your CRM, automates your scheduling, and empowers you to personalize your communication. It's a bridge between your business and your audience, a way to build relationships, qualify leads, and close deals. It's about making connections easier. It's about saving time. It's about growing your business. It's about making your life a little less chaotic and a little more productive. It's about understanding and leveraging the power of integrated tools. It's about having a centralized hub for all your interactions. It's about having a clear overview of your customer journey. It's about being more efficient. It's about being more professional. It's about being more successful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.